takes a stand, that makes a choice to live for God and not hesitate to tell the world about amazing grace. One day that seed somehow breaks through. Where there was one, there now stands two, and soon another takes his stand. A ray of hope that spreads across the land.
Across the mountains, across the sea, soon others join in harmony. They found the cross, still standing strong, and soon a mighty chorus sings along. Reach the world, touch one more soul, bring one more man back to the fold. Each soul another flag unfurled, each voice another chance to reach the world. Don't let me pray, Lord, for wealth or fame, or a spark that sets the world aflame. But help me reach the lost and alone, to tell the joy and hope where all is gone. Go reach the world, touch one more soul, bring one more land back to the fold. Each soul another flag unfurled, each voice another chance to reach the world. Each voice another, each voice another, each voice another chance to reach the world. Since we